Are you new to DeFi or tired of expensive crypto mistakes? I have been there, and that is why I built Dad's DeFi Space. Here, we're going to make crypto education simple, smart, and actually usable. Start with our free DeFi crash course link in the description, or join my free Telegram group for live strategies, vaults, and updates and signals. And remember, nothing today is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and never, ever invest more than you can afford to lose. Now, let's get to today's video. Now, what is so awesome about today is we are going to take a look at my Yield Hunters report from last week. My Yield Hunters reports are given to my website members, private group, and Telegram members for free for the time being. All we ask is that you sign up to Dad's DeFi Space and consider signing up using our Blowfin or Weeks links to help support the channel. Now, this opportunity from last week was from Pendle Finance. Pendle Finance is an Ethereum-based protocol that tokenizes yield into PT and YT tokens so traders can provide liquidity, trade, and swap yield-based derivatives. Now, this Pendle PT opportunity is on the Base network and is on the Yield Optimizer protocol, and you can earn up to 15% on your USD. I am in this Pendle LP. I'm not earning the 15%. You earn 7, but you're also earning Yield Optimizer points for a possible future airdrop. Now, this opportunity will end towards the end of September, but right now we can earn 16, 17% on our USD as long as we forego our airdrop points. That is what the PT fixed rate opportunity is within Pendle Finance. And then that provides the point yield for those who are in the YT trying to arbitrage that yield a little bit. So September, as we know in the crypto space, has a reputation to be a bloody month. And it's a tricky month for both risk and right now the macroeconomics and global markets are not very reliable. Markets do not like unreliability, or if they don't know what's going to happen next, that creates more volatility in the market. This creates a opportunity for a possible golden dip buying opportunity. And I've been looking at short-term places to park stable coins to earn some yield until I'm ready to deploy. This is one of those opportunities, the Pendle YoUSDT PT that expires on the 24th of September. As you can see, when I wrote this article, the YT is earning 106x points and the PT is earning around 15.8%. We're always on the lookout at Dad's DeFi Space for some of these tactical plays that can combine safety, flexibility, and yield. So the focus of this opportunity, as I was saying, is the Yield Optimizer protocol on the Base network using the Pendle PT YoUSD. This PT is matched 1-to-1 to USD, dollar for dollar. Now, the total liquidity is only $1.19 million, so you cannot deposit large amounts of capital into these pools. That is okay for me. I'm a player in this place. And remember, there's only 23 days until expiry. So when this expires, you do need to claim your PT token and cash it back out for your USD and cash it back out for your USD. Now, the bottom line is, why should yield hunters care? So in choppy markets, sideline stablecoins can sit idly and protect your capital while you wait to redeploy. It's awesome to use a small percentage of them to earn yield and add to your stablecoin dry powder bag. I wanted to compare the YoUSD Pendle PT to some of your other stablecoin yield-bearing protocols in this space. On Aave, supplying stablecoins, you can earn anywhere from 2 to 4%, maybe 6 or 7 if you're lucky when the market gets really hot. Compound USDC supplies around 2 to 3%, but The Pendle PT, yes, little bit more risky, new protocol, but 15 point almost 9%. This makes the PT 5 to 7 times more attractive than most money market lending in the DeFi space. So what's awesome, and I have this chart here to show you what some estimated returns could be. If you put in $10,000, you would earn about $100 every 23 days, which is the duration of this PT. But this is where I'm parking my stables until late September when I may need to use them to buy the dip, so they say. So, some of the risks that you do need to consider before you invest in anything in the DeFi space, especially something like this Pendle PT yield optimizer, are smart contract vulnerabilities, both within Pendle and yield optimizer that could impact your returns. And although it's backed by USDC, the YoUSD carries a wrapper collateral list, and that can lead to a depegging event with 75K of trading volume. Small to mid-sized positions in this are fine. Larger positions may see a lot of execution slippage. So if you are investing any kind of large amount of capital, I would be careful. I am not doing larger than $500 at a time. And I have not had any problem with slippage, but that is a very, very amount. And what are some strategic ways this can be used, right? For stable coins waited on the sidelines, for yield hunters like myself who want to prioritize capital preservation while they're waiting, and you can get the safe fixed carry rate through a protocol like Pendle or Exponent on Solana. And in the market context, we still believe we're going to have more of a dip during September. And even if we don't, we can withdraw at any time um, because our amount is still small enough that we shouldn't suffer too much slippage. Now, sometimes if you exit early, there can be slippage risk. So that is something to take and consider. Pendle is really good about letting you know when this is a possibility. And to summarize, this YoUSDT Pendle PT expiring on the 24th is basically a short-term tactical cash parking instrument that I am using. And I thought it would be nice to show you what you can do with Pendle on my channel and give those who are not part of the private Telegram group or my private DeFi group access into what my yield hunting articles look like. So I will leave a link in the description for the article and for Dad's DeFi space. I hope you learned a little bit more about yield farming in this video. And I appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in. And if this video helped you level up your DeFi game, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and drop a comment in the comments below. Let me know what DeFi positions you're in right now. And if you want real time updates and signals, join the free Telegram group where I share quick plays, market alpha, and my yield farming articles before they hit the group or YouTube. And if you want deeper education and coaching, I highly recommend Crypto Labs Research Underdog Investment Group. It's where I sharpened my skills early on. Use my link below for 20% off your first month. And if you're trading these markets, I personally use Weeks and Blofin. Both are non KYC exchanges. They offer USDT rewards for deposit and trading. Links in the description. And yes, it does help support Dad's DeFi space. And lastly, but not leastly, grab my free DeFi and crypto crash course at Dad's DeFi Space. Build your edge the smart way. And I will see all of you all on the next one. Peace.